Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 16 Leander Court, number 8 Graystone Road, a purpose-built first floor apartment with one double bedroom, 22-foot kitchen, living and dining room, basement storage room and well-maintained communal gardens of course within the development, and all within a very sought after location. So a lot to take a look at with this beautiful apartment today. And coming straight through into the main entrance hallway space and taking a left-hand turn, we've got this incredibly light, bright and airy reception space. Two lovely big windows there at the side, just letting all of that natural light flood through. And then panning across here, we've got the kitchen space with a full range of fitted appliances as well as space for further white goods. From there, we're going to come back through the main living spaces and then head through and take a look at the main family bathroom and the double bedroom. In this main living space, of course, it measures at about 22 feet in length with the kitchen, living and dining room. Incredibly light, bright and airy, and a really lovely sense of privacy as well. Heading through and across from the hallway, we've got on the left hand side the main family bathroom. From here we've got bedroom number 1, the main bedroom within the property here at number 16 Leander Court. A fantastic double bedroom with plenty of space for the bed, further storage and of course a light coming through from the window there as well. We're going to head outdoors into the main communal garden spaces, take a good look around there, and on the way we're going to recap a few points on the property before wrapping up today's video tour. So this is number 16 Leander Court, number 8 Graystone Road in Tankerton, a purpose-built first floor apartment offering one double bedroom, a fantastic 22-foot kitchen, living and dining space. We've got the basement storage here and well-maintained communal gardens throughout, and all of this is of course offered within a very sought after location. I really do hope that you enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.